right, good morning, K3B.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, the day has finally come where we get to harvest the rice that you've grown. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so before you start harvesting the rice, I want to teach you a new word. All right, do you know what this one is? It's called a sickle.
Sickle.
This tool has been used for thousands of years to cut down the rice. So you're going to be using a sickle today, but I want to show you, you have to be very careful because it is sharp, okay? So don't put your hands here. You need to hold the sickle on the handle, okay? All right. So when you're harvesting the rice, you grab it here, you take your sickle, and you just cut it off, all right? Let me show you again. Grab here, take the sickle, cut it off. Just like that. Here's the rice, okay?